Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg curry, full guide. Start by boiling 6 eggs and prepping onions, tomatoes, garlic, and ginger while the eggs cool. Toast whole spices briefly, then sauté onions until golden brown for deep flavor. Add tomatoes, ground spices, and simmer until oil separates for a rich base. Finish by adding eggs and simmering gently so the flavors meld before serving with rice or flatbread. Create a fragrant spice base by sautéing finely chopped onions in oil until translucent, then add garlic and ginger paste and cook briefly. Stir in ground spices and cook for a minute to remove raw flavor, then add crushed tomatoes and simmer until the oil separates. This step builds the curry's backbone and ensures the sauce coats the eggs attractively for a balanced, layered taste that shines with fresh cilantro, and after boiling and peeling the eggs, lightly crack their shells or score them to help the curry infuse flavor into the whites and yolks. Gently add the eggs to the simmering sauce and spoon the gravy over them so they warm through evenly. Let them simmer for several minutes, then remove and rest to allow flavors to settle. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve hot with steamed rice or warm flatbread for a satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.